There are better ways to keep cool. Call KS Services and receive a new Bryant unit with no payments and no interest for 18 months. Stay cool now and pay later. Visit callks.com for more.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Monday, the 9th of November. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather turning wet through midweek with a front approaching. And then beyond that, the weather all depends on Eta in the Gulf of Mexico, which is a very complicated system. So let's talk about it. Here we go. This is the upper air look across the country. Big trough in the western states. Very cold and unsettled there. Ridging in the east. Very mild there. And, of course, Eta in the southeastern Gulf of Mexico. Visible satellite view. Got a mixture of clouds and sunshine across the state this afternoon. Under those clouds, no rain. We'll stay dry tonight. Temperatures are in the 70s, mid to upper 70s, about 7, 8, 9 degrees above average for this time of the year. We should be in the upper 60s. But boy, look at the front across the middle of the country, running through parts of Minnesota, Iowa, Nebraska, and Kansas. On the cold side of that front, they're below freezing with teens and 20s. On the east side of the front, you've got 60s and 70s. Now, that cold air won't make it down here, but I do think the humidity values come down across Alabama by Thursday and Friday. There's the watch warning map, flash flood watches for parts of South Florida with Eta, winter weather advisories in scattered pockets out west, and a marginal risk of severe storms on that front over parts of Kansas and Oklahoma this evening. Tomorrow, a marginal risk from parts of Missouri up into the Great Lakes region on the front. And day 3, which is Wednesday, there could be some thunder here, but no severe weather expected with the frontal passage. Here's the precipitation for the next 7 days, the big numbers on the northern half of the Pacific coast and through parts of the Carolinas. In Alabama, the amounts 1 to 2 inches for the east, under 1 inch for the west. And again, we caution you, this will probably change in coming days as we get better clarity with the tropical situation. So let's look at Eta. This thing has winds of 50 miles an hour, not expected to be a hurricane now. And it's just going to sit around the southern Gulf for a while. The steering currents are collapsing. Here's the forecast track from the Hurricane Center. They bring it to about Cedar Key, Florida, Saturday morning. But again, I caution you, this could change dramatically. You talk about model madness. Here's the tropical set. Some bring it to Tampa Bay. Some bring it to Cedar Keys. Some bring it to Mobile. Some bring it toward Mexico. Take your pick. This is the GFS ensemble. Some of the members, Mexico, some Florida, and the European ensemble just kind of suggests it's going to sit there over the Gulf for a long, long time and go nowhere. This is the intensity guidance, and one thing we're confident in saying, this will not be a big, bad hurricane. This will just be a rain producer wherever it happens to go. And we note there is a non-tropical low that is over the middle of the Atlantic, and the hurricane season the Hurricane Center feeling that this is becoming warm core, and they might give that thing a name. And also a wave in the Caribbean could become a tropical depression or storm over the next 5 days. The area down there in orange. But probably, of course, the one in the middle of the Atlantic headed toward Europe, and the one in the Caribbean probably headed toward Central America. So let's take a look at modeling the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. Again, ridging in the east, troughing in the central and western states. Got a surface front west of the state. Moisture increasing. There could be a few showers around tomorrow afternoon. The sky mostly cloudy. Highs will be in the mid to upper 70s. Eta in the Gulf. This is Wednesday. The front coming through. Cloudy. Showers likely. Not going to rain all day. Maybe a clap of thunder. No severe weather. Again, highs stay in the 70s, and Eta is in the Gulf. Now, Thursday, the GFS suggesting that the humidity value should come way down. Now, we'll stay in the 70s, but dew points come down in the 40s and 50s. It'll feel more like fall. Eta still sitting in the Gulf, and this is Friday. If this verifies, it'd be a nice day. We start the day around 50, nice and cool and crisp. The high would be in the 70s, the sky mostly sunny. This is Saturday. The GFS surges moisture into the state. And this is suggesting Saturday would be a cloudy day with occasional showers. Eta coming up toward Louisiana. We'll check the European on Saturday. Very similar look. Clouds, showers, highs in the 70s. And then Sunday, still some moisture around, but the shower activity would likely decrease. Highs stay in the 70s. And again, I caution you about the weekend forecast. This could all easily change. If you've got something planned outdoors, don't panic. But certainly at this point, it looks like we'll deal with showers at times over the weekend. Then a week from today, this is Monday the 16th, zonal flow, and it looks pretty quiet. Maybe a few isolated showers for the southern half of the state. We'll go out 10 days. This is Thursday of next week, the 19th of November. Big old upper high over Florida, troughing well to the north and west, and that looks quiet and mild. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble. The mean, about 2 inches for the next 15 days. Highs will stay in the 70s through Sunday. The next week, if this verifies, from the national blend of models, highs dropping back in the 60s and lows in the 40s. That's seasonal for mid-November. However, the new CPC outlook just in, this is for the 17th through the 23rd, suggesting temperatures here would be above average if this verifies. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.
Never wait for hot water again with a tankless water heater from Plumbing Experts. Tankless water heaters are easy, convenient, and now more affordable with a no-interest financing for up to 18 months. Stop with the cold showers and wasted water and call Plumbing Experts today.